Hey everyone, Unwell here, back again with a brand new video. How you guys doing? If you're watching the last video, what I showed you was how to actually download the full version, the fully blown advanced version of the Harry Potter game editors. And I explained that before this you had editors like this, and like this one, basically very small editors, very limited, and then I gave you the full developer version so that you can mess about with it and you can mod the game like it's never been modded before, not just making levels and stuff, but you know, even more advanced things. But I forgot to tell you one important difference with this editor. You see, when you open the editor, I'm going to show you a little problem that happens and I'm going to show you how to fix it very quickly. Okay, you actually don't need the hub right now. If you go and if you open the system folder and try to launch the editor, and let's say you want to open a level from the game, you're very likely going to get an error. So let's say you want to open this one, can't find file for package, etc., and it tries to open and it fails. So we haven't actually given this editor any access to the game's textures. So what you want to do is here it says unreal.ini, just open this, double click. So what you want basically, if you scroll down, you're going to find a bunch of lines that says paths equals system, maps, textures, sounds, etc. This is how the editor knows where all the different things are like. These are basically the different folders in the editor. Some of them anyways. What you want to do is, see it says here it's got two textures lines, textures. The first one, you need to make sure that the first one actually points to the textures folder of the game and not the editor. So what you need, I closed the hub, but you really should have the hub open. When you've installed other editors, the old ones, you told the hub where the game was. So if you go to the settings page, there we go. This is the folder we need. So you're gonna basically look at this. It says C, etc., etc., etc. Basically, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna write that thing here. So get rid of these two dots here, and I'm going to write the folder that I use. You can write the folder where your game is. There we go. And it's important that the folder where the game is, this entire path, like, it can't have any spaces. So it's going to be the same as the one that's used by the hub. If you don't already have this, go set a folder, and if the folder isn't okay, the hub will make you its own folder and then you can use that. So that's some pretty basic stuff. We got that out of the way. Now if we try and launch the editor again, and we'll try opening that same level. So if you go file, yeah, make sure you save this text file as well before you do this. If you go file, open, and let's try opening that level. There we go. Now it's opening and it's getting all the textures and stuff from the game as well. So that's just the one little change that you need to do. With the old editors this was done automatically, but this is a more advanced version. This is a developer version, so I wasn't gonna assume like where your game was and stuff, and I'd let you, maybe you wanted to use a different folder for your game, etc. That's why the folder wasn't already in the text file. So I hope you found this useful, guys. I hope now you can fully use this editor. In the next video, this was just a quick little fix, but in the next video we'll be adding our own brand new object into the game, so stay tuned for that.